Retirement is a time when you should unwind and take things easy. Nobody should worry about money when they are retired. But with the rising cost of living in today's society, it is highly likely that you will, especially if you don't work right now and plan for your retirement. So it is crucial to have a solid plan in place to stay out of all kinds of financial straits after retirement. So what are some of the easy strategies for resolving money issues after retirement? How do you plan before? Well, let's get started. 8. Plan ahead. If you have a sound financial plan, you will be aware of your current assets and those you will have in retirement and at the end of your life. But you must be mindful of how much you will require each time. According to the Employee Benefit Research Institute's most recent study, it was noted that retirement expenditure declines over time. The authors conclude that even though older age groups spend less money overall, the likelihood of having a budget deficit, defined as having more spending than income, rose with age. For the past 15 years, retirees have struggled to develop an accurate retirement plan reflecting the money needed to be spent. And let me tell you, retirement planning doesn't have to be challenging. In today's world, you have access to some of the best online calculators to help you create a thorough plan and keep it up throughout the time. These tools provide details while being simple to use. Setting everything up should only take 5 minutes, after which you can spend as much time as you like tweaking your plan until you discover one that works for you. 7. Have an insurance. As they age, retirees need high-quality healthcare services and are increasingly susceptible to health problems. That's a norm. Financial strain might result from ongoing medical treatment, daily medication, potential hospitalization, and the requirement for long-term care. These expenses could swiftly wipe out of your retirement funds if you lack health insurance coverage. So, it is advisable to purchase insurance for you and your spouse that covers the medical needs of older adults. This will provide you peace of mind so you can concentrate on enjoying your retirement while also protecting your retirement fund from having to pay for unexpected medical expenses. On the other hand, medical costs can be decreased by maintaining a healthy lifestyle that includes eating a balanced diet, getting regular exercise, and abstaining from unhealthy behaviors like smoking and binge drinking. 6. Maintain proper asset allocation. When controlling a budget, your age is critical since the older you get, the less investment risk you can tolerate. Your risk tolerance sharply declines as you approach retirement age, and you can no longer afford any stock market returns. And it's tempting to think that the stock market will keep rising forever when the economy is doing well, and this idea may tempt you to increase your earnings by owning additional stocks. This is a mistake. You can't be timing the market or predicting when a correction will occur, so stick to your planned asset allocation approach. You aren't generally using a plan if you allow market conditions to affect your allocation decisions. Another option for investing is having a target date fund that manages asset allocation. A mutual fund, known as a target date fund, invests in a variety of asset classes, but as the target date gets closer, it gradually shifts its holdings towards more conservative asset classes. The year you intend to retire is indicated by the term target date in the fund's name. Target date funds often adhere to best practices for allocation. Your age is considered in the budget and is diversified inside and between asset classes. Except for the money in your emergency fund, you are not required to manage your allocation or even hold any other assets actively. But there are disadvantages as well. Target date funds don't consider your risk tolerance or the potential for a change in your circumstances. For instance, a significant promotion may allow you to retire 5 years sooner. In that situation, you should assess your portfolio's allocations and determine whether they are still appropriate for you. 5. Budget. You can stay on top of your expenses and prevent overspending by making a budget. But to ensure you remain within your budget, set spending caps for each expenditure category and keep a running tab on your costs. Retirees can live pleasant lives and ensure they have enough money to support their lifestyles while successfully managing their spending. Make a list of your income sources, such as a pension, income from retirement investments, rent, etc., to manage the money and keep your costs under control. To find out where your money is going, review your expenses as well. This can help you determine where to save and how much to spend. And it is wise to consider partaking in cheap activities like walking, attending community events, picking up a new hobby, etc. It would also help if you look over your spending to find any luxuries you can live without, such as subscriptions, memberships, or services you don't use frequently. Quick pause. If you want to stay updated with all of my financial planning and budgeting advice, make sure to subscribe to my channel. And while you're at it, check the description box for a link to my monthly budget trackers. They'll make managing your money a breeze. So go on and hit subscribe, and let's make your wallet and future self proud. Now let's get back to the video. 4. Seek assistance. Retirement is a crucial aspect of our financial lives that we frequently ignore. Many people put off thinking about retirement because they believe it will be years away. Others claim that because they have fallen behind in saving money, they have little chance of ever being able to plan for retirement. Both situations ought to be avoided. There is always a good time to start saving money. It takes time to prepare the ideal retirement plan though. The most critical component for a secure retirement is asking for help. A retirement advisor can assist you in determining all potential areas for development, regardless of your age or the amount of funds you have. By doing your study, you can find a variety of advisors who specialize in different fields. A specialized financial advisor is the best choice if you need help creating a safe rainy day fund for your retirement. But remember, your attempt at retirement planning should be timely. Knowledge and expertise from an expert are advantages. Engage a seasoned retirement pension planning consultant as soon as possible. You can always ask for assistance from the administrator of your employer-sponsored plan. Whether you have a small savings base or have only recently started, your retirement plan must balance your needs and the realities of your investment. 3. Maximizing Social Security benefits. Establishing a personal account on the Social Security Administration's website will allow you to understand better your eligibility, payment options, and claim options. Knowledge and understanding of your benefits lay the foundation for a successful retirement plan. One crucial aspect to consider is the age at which you claim your Social Security benefits. Higher monthly payouts may occur from delaying until you reach full retirement age or even until you're 70. Consider spousal or survival benefits as well, as these can offer further financial assistance to married couples as well as widows and widowers. Remember that Social Security benefits are computed using your 35 years of highest paying employment. To optimize your benefits, ensure your earnings records are accurate and look for higher paying positions. You may plan your finances more successfully by understanding the tax consequences of your benefits. 2. Downsize as needed. Downsizing refers to relocating from a larger home to a smaller one. Due to the lifestyle changes that occur around the time, people close to retirement are more likely to experience it. Smaller houses are usually simpler to operate and keep up. And, well, maintaining order in fewer, possibly smaller, rooms will take you less time and effort. As you age, this may become one of your primary concerns. However, remember, a smaller house naturally has less room for movement. Even if you're not relocating to a cabin, you may desire enough space to entertain family members or guests when they visit. But anyway, one of the most popular reasons for downsizing is to free up cash to spend in retirement, but the amount you will need depend on your desired location and lifestyle. Check your pension to see how much you can expect to receive during retirement, then calculate how much you plan to spend. If the numbers don't add up, consider whether selling your home and moving to another area. 1. Go back to work. Retirement does not imply that work will end entirely. You can continue working or participating in interests that give you a sense of fulfillment. You can study new online income streams, turn your hobbies into a side hustle, or work as a counselor in your expertise. You can gain financially and socially from working or participating in other activities while preserving your physical and emotional well-being. Many retired people find new jobs and carry out important community service. In some cases, returning to work becomes necessary when facing financial challenges. The advantages of working in retirement include increased social and physical activity, cerebral stimulation, self-confidence, and more cash. Your quality of life can significantly change with just a few $100s extra per month. Many states offer services to help seniors get the training and employment they need, if necessary. It is ideal to start working after retirement while still in good health. Moreover, A job can increase the longevity of your current savings and the growth potential of investments. To increase your income potential, find a job you enjoy or apply your prior work experience. As we wrap up, let's leave you with a thought-provoking question to reflect on. What is one action you can take today to better prepare yourself for a fulfilling and stress-free retirement? Share your thoughts in the comments below. That's all. Remember to hit that like button and subscribe. See you in the next video.